Hi there, thanks for joining me this week. I'm Crystal, the content director and commercial product photographer at Crystal Clear Photography. I'm coming this week talking to you about one of the things that I love talking about, and that's how I can save you money. I've got 4 ways on how you can be budget savvy with your photo shoot. We all love to go shopping. Who does? This girl. I know you do too. So when you're going out and you're going shopping, look at different props and things that you can purchase. And to be a little bit budget savvy, you could shamelessly return the things that you don't need. So maybe some of the things that you don't need, don't use, or maybe weren't even touched at all, make sure to return those things. Hello, get that money back. Because if you don't need it and you're not going to reuse those things for different parts of the photo shoot or in your home, then go ahead and return it. It'll save yourself some money on budget, and going shopping for your own props ensures that you also get to control that budget. That's a huge piece in the whole process. So if you want to make sure that you only spend $150 at Target on some props for your photo shoot and you don't want to worry about blowing your budget out of the water, then you can go get those props and things yourself. And then, as I said, if there's something you didn't use, then take it back and return it. No harm, no foul. A big key tip for a lot of those of you who are doing brand shoots or even larger shoots that are going to include a lot of props is pull furniture and pieces that you can use at home. So if you've got a lightweight desk chair that's super cute that you could easily pick up and load into the back of your vehicle, consider bringing that. That way you don't have to invest in more furniture or worry about not having a piece at the photographer's studio that you really want to use. I constantly do the same thing for my own photos. I'll walk around my house and I grab the tuft chair that sits in the seating area in my master bedroom, or I'll pull the desk chair that I have because it's a different shade of gray and I really love it. So I'll load that up and take it and use it for my photo shoot. I will also pull books and magazines and candles and all the things that I have around my home that I could use to style throughout my photo shoot. It's a budget-friendly way to do it. It's not costing you any additional money. All you're having to do is load everything up and bring it with you to your photo shoot. Another way that you can save money on your photo shoots is to make sure that you team up with a stylist to maybe reuse clothes that you already have. It's so hard not to go shopping when you have a photo shoot going on and buy all the things. The shoes, the clothes, the accessories, the purses, all the things that you could incorporate in your photo shoot. But to save yourself the money, you might want to consider doing a quick online consult with a stylist. I have a good friend, Lauren, who is a stylist. She does virtual consults with people all the time and shows them how they can use what they already have in their closet to make a whole new look that's revamped and feels fresh and new. So you can take the clothes that you've already got, partner with someone just like her on a virtual call to team up your outfits and feel confident in the photo shoot you have without having to spend a dime. Who doesn't want to do that? And lastly, try using a co-working space. A lot of times they can be way cheaper than trying to rent a studio or partnering with a photographer to try to get a big studio space to use. When co-working spaces are just as friendly, they a lot of times have a lot of natural light, and they have cute, stylish items that are already within the space. So you can reach out to your local co-working space that you love and admire and ask them what their rates are. A lot of times they will just charge you for the hour or for half the day or for a full day so that you can go in, use their space and some of the things that they've already got on hand, be able to create a shoot that is unique and fun and is going to be tailored to your brand at no large cost. So with those 4 ways, hopefully now you feel a little bit more budget savvy when you're getting ready for a photo shoot and finding some other ways that you can save money. This way you can just apply that money towards having more photo shoots throughout the year with keeping your content a little bit more fresh. So let's recap real quick. Make sure that you have taken control of your props, purchasing things that you think you're going to want and need to control your budget, and then returning stuff that you don't use. Pull from your own home. What do you have around you that's lightweight, that's easy to move, that you could load up and easily take to use at your photo shoot? Make sure that you team up with a stylist so you can see how you can reuse and mix up your current wardrobe to create a new look that keeps you feeling confident and saves you the money of going out shopping and spending a couple $100. And then lastly, make sure to take advantage of a co-working space and see if that might be the right fit for your shoot so you can get a cheaper cost on having to rent a space and get a fun, fresh new look that is going to be perfect for your brand photos. Need more tips and advice? Make sure to head over to my blog at crystalclearphotographyaz.com. I've linked that below in the notes. You can find all kinds of tips or you can click subscribe, because every week I am here giving you tips and information and ways to make sure that you can do your photo shoot in a budget savvy way, do it yourself kind of way, or if you're just trying to hire a professional and want to know how best to work with one. Until next week, I'll see you soon.